How to see total brilliant moves in chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Chrome browser on a device. You can switch for any browser. Then tap on the search bar and search for chess.com. As you tap on that, make sure that you are logged into your account as well over here. Now it will land you to your home page or user interface like this. Now all you have to do is tap on this chess icon over here at the top left corner. Then tap on the stats option. As you tap on stats, it will land you to a new page over here. So here below the stats, you can see the option of insights. So tap on insights, and as you tap on insights, you'll be able to see different options over here. So this data would generally be the statistics that you have gained over the period of time after you have played. So just scroll down and just keep scrolling until you find the option of move quality. So this is the place where you can find or see the total brilliant moves in chess.com. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.